So hello everyone, thanks for coming back to my channel. My name is Bima and I'm a wedding photographer, and today I'm going to say thank you for any of you who stumble upon my videos today, and want to talking about the new regulation of the microstock platform. So if you receiving an emails that browsing for any YouTube or any article in a post or blog post, you see that somebody out there will be in an angry or a little bit upset because of the new term and condition of the Shutterstock. Because a day ago I got my photo taken in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, and earning that I got is decreasing from 25 cents into 10 cents. But some of you might be will stop working on Shutterstock, submitted any videos or photos, but that's fine. I know that you might have your own decision, but at this time I will be thinking a bit different about it. So about 2.5 years ago, I started selling my photo on Shutterstock just because I love photography, and rather than throwing back all the files into trash bin and then I don't even can monetize it at all, so I found Shutterstock and then I'm start earning every single cent that I have in Shutterstock. Like a sample, I only take a photo, like a simple photo like this. You see here's like an egg. This is my hand grinder. This is a milk jug. So actually I only take a photo with some ridiculous thing like this and then sell it on Shutterstock as a like a microstock for my digital assets. So if you ever working in a internet marketing like AdSense or affiliate marketings, then you will know that this is my personal opinion, right? So 10 cents is not that bad, because if you live in a country like me in Indonesia, or maybe in a I don't know, maybe in Bangladesh or in India, AdSense income is also really small for every single click that people made. So I ever personally have like only 6 cents for my AdSense account, and I think that will be fine. But what I'm doing here, what you guys doing here, is about loving photography so much better than other niche. So if you want to move to another platform, then I'm hoping that you will get another more success, better income. That's your own choice actually. But if you want to stick in working in a Shutterstock, then let's do it together, because all of us are doing this because we love photography better than other better than other business. So today I'm focusing myself still on Shutterstock, and then I'm thinking about wondering to earn passive income in the next future. So I will keep shooting for what I love here, and then just enjoying the journey. I think that will be better than we do have a lot of complaint and we stop our working. I think do some better things will be better than do nothing at all. So once again, this is your own choice. I know that you have your own decision for your better future. So once again, thank you so much. If you have any single opinion and suggestion for me, because I'm just like a 2.5 years contributors. I know I'm selling my photos, my travel photos, my wedding details photos in Shutterstock because I love photography so much. So if you have some suggestion for me to working better in photography or be in Shutterstock, you can write a comment below. I'm really appreciative with this. So If you love my videos, then you can subscribe and turn on the bell notification, because I will regularly make some nice video, inspirational video for you. So God bless you guys. I know you can do it better than now.